this obviously, as you can tell, isn't going to be a tutorial this week. I just wanted to do a video to share some news with you that I mentioned, I think, in one of my videos last week, that there was something that's been going on behind the scenes that's been keeping me a little bit busy, and I can now tell you what it is. Obviously, if you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen this already and you'll know all about it, but I obviously wanted to let you know, to those that follow me on YouTube, that this month I have been featured in a magazine for the very first time. So obviously I know people get things in magazines quite often, obviously, but this is the first time that it has happened to me, and so I wanted to let you know because I'm very proud of it, and I hope that you all like what you see in the magazine as well. So the magazine is this one. So this is Crochet Now magazine. So this is issue 42, so you can see the cover and you know exactly what's on it. But yeah, this is issue 42, and there are all kinds of lovely projects in here for you, but you will also find in here, for the first time, I'll only show you the very top of it obviously, a little 2-page interview with me. So yeah, so there's a 2-page interview with me about me and about what I do and why I do it, and then there is also on the next page there is a pattern that I designed for this particular magazine issue, and it is done with a Shapey Swirl. You all know that I love a Shapey Swirl, so I'll just show you the photo of the blanket. Obviously I don't want to give too much away, but yeah, it's just a really nice, easy baby blanket. So there is a pattern in there for that. So as I say, I know people get patterns done in magazines all the time, but this is my very first time that anything like this has happened. So I'm really happy with that, and I'm also really happy that I got to share this with my family and specifically with my nana. As you all know, she is very poorly at the moment, so I'm just very glad that she was still here to... Oh, sorry, I really thought I'd be able to get through that sentence without getting upset. Yeah, so I'm just very glad that she's still here and was able to see it, because as you all know, that is where it all started. So yeah, anyway, it is out in the UK now. It came out, I think, yesterday, which was the 23rd, but you can get it in obviously all good newsagents and supermarkets as well. And if you're not in the UK, you can still get it, and I will leave a link to a website where you can buy the magazine and they will ship it internationally as well. But yeah, it's just a little step for me, and I just wanted to share it with you all. But I will see you for normal tutorials again next week, and I do apologise for getting a bit upset in the middle of that video. But yeah, it's a good day. Bye for now.